Hello children, welcome to the online teaching session of class 5 social studies. Yesterday we were studying lesson number 6, the land of dense forests. So the left part I am teaching today, page number 41, last paragraph about pygmies. Pygmies are the original inhabitants of the country. They are known as the Bambuti. They are very short, less than 150 centimeters tall. The Europeans who ruled the country in the past had driven the pygmies into the forests, where they lived by hunting and gathering food. The few pygmies who still remain live mostly in the Ituri forest in the northeast. They live in huts and move about in search of food. They still lead a primitive life. Transport. The country has a poor land transport system. The dense forests of the country have made it difficult to build railways and roads. Only some parts of the country have roads and railways, but these are not maintained properly. The country has a network of rivers. Thus, water transport has become the chief means of travel. Air transport is a very effective way to travel in this vast country. The country has more than 200 airports. This means of transport is fast becoming popular. Cities. About 30% of the total population lives in towns and cities. Kinshasa is the capital and the largest city. It is also an important commercial and industrial center. Lubumbashi is the main city in the mineral-rich region. Other big cities are Kananga, Kisangani, Likasi, Kikwit, Matadi is a port city. The country is now developing fast. Money earned from exports is being used to improve the infrastructure and to provide facilities to the people. So children, thank you and have a nice day.